Welcome to Enterprise Security Training. I will demonstrate network scanning with Nmap and intrusion detection with Snort. Red Team Attacker 192.168.3.126. Blue Team Defender 192.168.3.128. Both running Kali Linux. First, connect to the Red Team machine via SSH. Verify Nmap is installed. Nmap version 7.98. This is a legitimate security tool used by professionals worldwide for network discovery. Execute a TCP Connect Scan with version detection. Command nmap-st-sv target 192.168.3.128. The -st flag performs a full TCP three-way handshake. -sv probes open ports to identify service versions. Connect to the Blue Team Defender. Verify Snort is installed at user s-bin Snort. The configuration file is located at snort.lower. This is Snort version 3, the latest generation. Create a log directory for Snort alerts. Command mkdir-p/tmp/snortlogs. This is where detected intrusions will be recorded. Start Snort in intrusion detection mode. Command sudo snort-v-d-c-etc/snort.lu-l/tmp/snortlogs. -v for verbose output. -d dumps application layer data. -e displays link layer headers. -c specifies the configuration file. -l sets the log directory. Watch the detection. Red Team runs Nmap scan. Blue Team Snort console shows packet capture activity. After the scan completes, check the Snort alert log. Command cat/tmp/snortlogs/snort.log. The log shows detected TCP SYN scans from the Red Team IP address. We demonstrated real offensive and defensive techniques. Nmap TCP Connect Scan reveals open ports and services. Snort monitors network traffic and logs suspicious activity. Both tools are industry standard. Understanding attack and defense makes you a better security professional. Stay secure.